Hey guys, it's Albert in Muffin Group. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to make your key features pop by blurring background behind. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, so let's not waste the time then on this introduction and let's jump to my screen. In this tutorial, I will be using the pre-built website Agency 9 where, as you can currently see on the screen, I wanted to highlight the logos or images. You can call them whatever you prefer. Despite having a background image that serves as the section's background, it's a total of 6 image elements that I place inside a wrap that is half the width. Image elements are half width as well, as I wanted to have 2 images per row. Since in this particular case I wanted the background to be blurred behind all the images, blur should be applied to entire wrap. To do this, you need to edit the wrap, go to the Advanced Background tab and access the background filter settings. Then, using built-in sliders, simply set the appropriate value for the blur option. Moreover, to enhance the visual effect, you can also control the brightness as you like. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked this video, and from now on you would be using this feature in your projects more often. And if you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I explain how to create fancy hotspot slider. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.